So I have my pattern here. So here is the first piece. I'm supposed to cut one piece of the fabric, one piece of lining. I'm supposed to cut 2 pieces of this fabric, 2 pieces lining, and then the third one, 2 pieces fabric, 2 pieces of lining. So I'll start with cutting my interfacing because I'm upcycling this pant, and this pant is a little stretchy, so I don't want it to ruin my pattern. So I'll cut my interfacing and then use my interfacing to cut the fabric. I've cut all my pieces. It's time to put the interfacing. So I'm going to pin all the way and sew, and when I'm sewing I'll leave a little bit open so I can turn it over from there and then top stitch all the way. So what I mean is I'm going to sew all the way except here, so I can turn the whole cap from this part and top stitch. This is what it's looking like. Ironing makes it all better. So I'll iron and then I'll top stitch and come and show you the final product.